bona baqhubekeka bayaphunga benze zonke
They
izinto
continue to drink
emveni
coffee and
ngoba
cola.
xa beyodibana nabaya
And they
buba
go
mfumane
and meet him, they
eqalekeni bavuka bakhangela uba uyephi
They notice that
uyephi
where is he?
until bamazi uba okay
Until they
xa
know him
evuka
that
ekuseni
when he wakes up early in the
ufumaneka
morning,
phaa
he's found there.
emini maqanda
During the day, in the
ufumaneka
afternoon,
phezulu
He's found
entabeni
up there in the
ekuseni
mountain. In the
ufumaneka
morning,
ezantsi
he's down in the cave.
ma evuka ekuseni
When he
uya
wakes up,
ezantsi
he
entabeni
goes down.
emini bayayazi
In
into
the
yobana
afternoon, they
unyuka
know
ufumaneka phezulu
that he's found up.
yintoni
What is it
oyibona ikusebenzela
that you see working for you?
ntoni oyibona biyakusebenzela
What is it that you see working for you?
lezi zinto ndikubonisa zona
These things I'm showing you,
zifana nesilingi
they are like a sling
kwirem kamoya
in the realm of the spirit.
ntoni ebanga udavide kube lula kuye uthatha
What
isilingi
causes David so easy for him to take a
afake
sling
ilitye elincane
and put a little stone there?
kwakungaliwa ngezilingi
They were not fighting over slings,
but yena
but him,
wathi no
he said no.
nantsi into ezandisebenzela
Here's what's going to work for me.
wachola ilitye
He took a stone
walifaka esilingini
and put it in his sling,
waeima
and he
boom
aimed, and boom,
goliath phantsi
Goliath down.
ucinga uba udavide esasilingi uzasilahla
Do you
no
think David is going to lose
uzasixwaya
that
emagxeni
sling? No,
ngoba
he's
sitheni
going to put it on his shoulder
siyamsebenzela
because it works for him.
yes nomfana odubula indaka
Even a
if
young man who
basekhona
shoots over beds, if they are still available.
nabafana badubula
Even a
indaka
young man who still
if
shoots over
basekhona
beds, if
badubula
they
indaka
still exist,
akasilahli isilingi sakhe
they don't lose their sling.
afumene iintaka ezimbini ngaso
That they found two beds
ukuthi
by, because they say
siyamsebenzela
it works for
so
them.
yintoni oyibonayo
So
ekusebenzelayo
what is it that you see works for you?
xa into uyibonile ibiyakusebenzela
When you have spotted something that it works for you,
uhamba ungadingi mntu
go
omakakutyhale ngayo
and no longer need someone to push
ubuyayazi
you
uba
in it,
lena
because you know that this one
iyasebenza ebomini bam
works in my
so
life.
yintoni esebenzayo ebomini bam
So what works in your life?